How to connect Instagram to Facebook. For some reason you want to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account. In this video I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram app, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Continue to the top right corner where you see these 3 ellipses and tap on it. This will land you on settings and activity page. Proceed to tap on account center, and with this selected, continue to tap on profiles. In order to connect your Instagram to Facebook, all you have to do is to proceed to tap on add account. Then you can continue to connect and log into the Facebook account that you want to connect Instagram to. If for some reason you rather want to connect your Facebook to Instagram, the steps is pretty simple. All you have to do is locate to our Facebook app. Then on your Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then you need to scroll down a bit until you locate settings and privacy and proceed to tap on it. Continue to tap on settings. Under settings, you land on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Make sure to tap on Meta Account Center. With this selected, continue to tap on profiles. In order for you to connect your Instagram to Facebook, all you have to do is to proceed to tap on As Account. Then you have to log into the Instagram account and then connect it to your Facebook account. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.